Almost every year, with the exception of the last few due to the pandemic, the Yantacaw School in Nutley, New Jersey has a tricky tray. This year the theme was Las Vegas night, and my daughter Dawn, who is an elementary art teacher at the school, always invites me to come along, and I always have a good time. This year it was held at Nanina'sInThePark. Nanina's is rated as one of the top wedding venues in New Jersey. As you enter through the gate, you see this beautiful building. It's nestled in a historical park setting of 360 acres. Upon entering, I don't think they could have picked a more beautiful place. And the stairway leading upstairs to where they had cocktail hours and tickets sold was just gorgeous. While people were walking around, putting their tickets in the little cups to try to win prizes, you could walk around upstairs, and these are some of the delights they had at the little cocktail hour. Look at that Italian prosciutto hanging from that stand. I tried to take as many photos as I could, but I was trying to enjoy the night, so there's not too many. But here was the table set up where we were going to have dinner, because the tricky tray was a full dinner afterwards. And see how the table is decorated for a casino night? And we even had little frames on the table with the table number, which helped when they drew the winners to know what table they were sitting at. Look at that. Our first course was a salad, and it was delicious with little candied pecans in it. Everybody thought the food was delicious. And there I took a little picture of the centerpiece. The committee who put this together and worked on it deserves a big congratulations. They did a fantastic job. There's some of my tickets. Oh, and here's little clappers. If someone at your table won a prize, everybody would hold the clappers up and say, "We're here." I tried to take a few pictures of some of our courses. Here you can see the salad. Now that looks pretty darn good, right? And the second course was vodka penne, which was delicious. And for dinner, everyone had a choice of Chateaubriand, salmon, chicken, or a vegetarian dish. I don't know the exact number, but I'm willing to bet there were over 300 people in attendance. Check out all these moms here, probably some dads too. Everybody was excited to have a night out. Let me introduce you to a lot of the people that sat at our table. On the left is Jill. She's a 5th grade teacher. And next to her is Kim. She's a 4th grade teacher at the school. And here, and from left to right, we have Tara's mom, Sharon. Tara's a 3rd grade teacher. You'll see her coming up. And next to Sharon is Allison. She's a 3rd grade teacher. And then that's Tara. Tara is also a 3rd grade teacher. Look at Tara on the left, getting in all the pictures. And next to her is her good friend, Jessica. And that's Pam. Pam is the music teacher at the school. And nothing like embarrassing my daughter Dawn. I had her pose with the principal of the school, Mr. Francia. And I had to catch a picture of the president of the PTO, Mrs. Donahue. She was very creative, making a headband for Las Vegas night with all little dice on it. Coming up are some videos of prize winners at our table.
Those are right up your alley. Skip 27.
Yeah. Can you see this?
Oh, this is the lotto ticket, that's why.
What is that?
Table.
Lottery ticket.
What'd you win? What'd you win? Oh, look at that! Woo!
I prayed for that.
Yes, Mom! Wait, yes! That is awesome.
And Sharon was the big winner of the night. I think she won like 3 or 4 prizes. This big bucket of scratch-off lottery tickets. Some of them were like $30 and $20 tickets. And here's moi. Well, at least I didn't go home empty-handed. I won 1 prize. It was a set of glass coasters that you could put photographs in. Hello, everybody! Tara was very excited with her winnings, but I had to do a voiceover here and lower the music because I didn't want to get a copyright strike.
All right, this is the money tree. The money tree.
There's a money tree? I didn't even see it.
And this is my poor daughter, Dawn. She didn't win anything. She was not a happy camper. And here's Kim. Kim didn't win anything either, but she was still smiling. After dinner, we had desserts. There was chocolate-covered bananas, chocolate-covered strawberries, Italian pastries, and my favorite, cannolis. So Dawn, thank you so much for inviting your mama to this tricky tray to spend some quality time with you. I love you. Well, unfortunately, all good things must come to an end, but there's always next year. And I think, win or lose, everyone will agree we had a wonderful time at the Yantacaw School Tricky Tray.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.